Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to the aluminum alloy triangle ruler. This precise thickened angle ruler is a game-changer for all your woodworking projects. Crafted with durable aluminum alloy material, this ruler is designed to last. Say goodbye to flimsy rulers that bend and break under pressure. Our ruler is built to withstand heavy use, ensuring that it will be a reliable tool in your collection for years to come. The versatile triangle shape of our ruler allows for a variety of uses, including measuring angles, sides, and heights. This makes it an essential tool for any woodworking project, giving you the flexibility and accuracy you need to bring your vision to life. What's more, our ruler is easy to use, with clear markings and a comfortable grip. No more squinting to read measurements or struggling with a slippery ruler. With our ruler, you can focus on your craft and let the tool do the hard work for you. But that's not all. Our aluminum alloy triangle ruler boasts a range of features that make it a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast. Use it as a protractor, miter, or framing square. It's perfect for all building and remodeling projects, and its strong die-cast aluminum construction ensures precision and durability in every use. Whether you're a professional carpenter, hobbyist, home builder, manufacturer, or artist, this ruler is an essential addition to your toolbox. It's designed to make precise right angles and can even be used as a cutting and drawing guide. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your woodworking game with the aluminum alloy triangle ruler. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing tool today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your woodworking projects to the next level. Join the countless satisfied customers who have added this ruler to their collection and experience the difference for themselves. Upgrade your craft and order yours now.